Hiring a good personal attorney, or injury attorney rather, is key if you want to get the best compensation due to an accident. We welcome back attorney Marc Anidjar and Shire Patel from the law offices of Anidjar and Levine Accident Attorneys. Hi guys, welcome back.
Hey, how are you?
All right, I'm doing great. And of course, we want to start off by asking you for 3 tips or 3 things that you recommend our viewers to seek for in a good accident attorney.
I'll let Shire take this one.
There you go, you're on the spot.
There you go. Communication. From day one, I think it's very important that an attorney is communicating with the client. Marc, and the way this firm has been built, has been on the personal relationship of having that with your client, being available for them. This is a stressful time. You know, no one wants this to happen. Secondly, results. You know, getting a proven firm that's here to help you through this process and just navigate these waters. And lastly, just someone who, as a firm, someone who's reputable. You know, someone who's going to be able to take on these big insurance companies and fight for you. You know, help you take back control of your life.
Are these cases and how many you've won throughout the years? Is this public record?
Look, I mean, some of these settlements are confidential. Some of them public record, if they were filed in lawsuits, would be public record. Other are settlements that, there wouldn't be no paper trail that you could do a research on. Obviously, he touched on communication. To me, I always say, I have a phrase, treat everyone like a human being. Like, I hate when people talk to them like it's a case number. It's a person. What's their name? What's their problem? What are their issues? Make sure that you identify what's causing them to be stressed. Because if they're in an anxious state of mind, you're not going to get that unless you speak to them. So one of the other things is, don't communicate via text because there's no vocal inflection.
Yeah.
I can't tell, are you angry? Are you sad? Are you mean by virtue of a text? I can hear that in your voice. So I'm a big fan in communication being not only just empathy, caring about the person, making sure you're answering their questions.
What's the one thing that both of you have learned throughout the years with your practice, that people need the most besides communication?
I would say in my practice, you can't do it alone. So you got to surround yourself with good people. And I would say you could take that to a client. If you are injured in an accident, don't try to go it alone. Surround yourself with good people who actually care about you. And that puts you in the best position. If you want something on public record, go on Google reviews, and you'll read every single Google review that they outline one person specifically in our office that did something right, and all those responses that you see, the replies, are done by me every morning. I
like that. Shire, your turn. What do you think? What you've learned throughout the years?
That no 2 cases are the same. Everyone has a story. No one's going at this like it's cookie cutter and you're just a number, like Marc alluded to. So to be able to be there for that person, their families, it's impacted much more than themselves. So I'd say treat every case differently as if it is a personal story to you. And it's what we tell our staff, it's what we tell our attorneys, and it's why we're as successful as we are.
And unfortunately, in many cases, you do have to deal with deaths, right? I mean, that's the downside of this type of practice. What can you tell about folks that are perhaps going through this right now?
Well, I think that just comes the experience of being able to walk them through that grief process, right? So sometimes people are completely shell-shocked because it wasn't expected. There's a difference when your family member has a terminal disease and it's coming versus someone who was there yesterday and just gets ripped out of your life without expecting it.
Right.
So in that situation, sometimes obviously making sure they speak about it. Sometimes you just got to let them cry, right? And sometimes you got to tell them, listen, maybe it's time for you to speak to somebody about this because your whole family's going through it, especially when they have kids, right? Kids have the tendency to just get quiet and not talk, right? Then you're telling the parent, make sure you're engaging your kid and speaking to them because they'll go into a wall and go quiet. You're dealing with your grief and you're not paying attention, and that could be a problem. So sometimes it's just the experience of having navigated those waters, unfortunately, too many times that you kind of know what the things that you have to look for are.
You certainly become more than an attorney at this point. You become a friend or family in that case. And of course, we want to share your information right now in case anybody at home needs some help. The law offices of Anidjar and Levine Accident Attorneys, right there, 1-800-747-3733. Thanks for joining us, guys.
Always. Thank you.